How to delete Amazon Flex account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete Amazon Flex account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. In order to delete your Amazon Flex account, you have to contact the Amazon Flex support because you cannot download your Amazon Flex account manually from the application or website. So you need to request deletion by contacting Amazon Flex support. So for that, what you can do is you can create an email and send it to the Amazon Flex support. So for that, open up Gmail in your device. Tap on Compose, and here under recipient you can type in Amazon Flex support@amazon.com. Now in the subject you can type in request to deletion of the Amazon Flex account. Now after that, under the body part you have to include your full name, your registered email address and phone number linked to the account, and also provide the reason for your deletion as well. Now once you're done, send it to the Amazon Flex support. Then the Amazon Flex support will review your request and may ask for the verification. This process can take up a few days and you might receive a confirmation email once the deletion is completed. So this is the only way to delete your Amazon Flex account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.